Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Why is it that you give me the 3-minute signal when I come to speak, not the others?
Because you're a politician.
All right. Thank you. Well, can I first of all say what a wonderful occasion this has actually turned out to be, with the unveiling of the plaque in memory of the late Maqbool Bhat, and right in front of his son, Cllr Sultan. So I would like to welcome you, sir, to the Sultanate of Rochdale. We are very proud of our village, and we genuinely have true cohesion. So I'm sure you've been keeping abreast of things, of what's been going on in Rochdale. We've had a lot to put up with recently, and only the tolerance and the community spirit that we have in Rochdale, that we've actually retained sanity. So that aside, it is only befitting, once we have the relevant players here, that we all actually encourage not only our own learned and honourable Member of Parliament, Simon Danchuff, but all other contacts that we have around the world, and particularly as we're in Britain, British Members of Parliament, to sign the petition authorising the delivery of late Maqbool Bhat's body to his family. I am a Pakistani, I want to say that, it's no secret, but the fact remains that I for one, am a Democrat, and I genuinely believe in true democracy, that whichever country is striving for independence should get it. In this day and age, it is intolerable that atrocities purely over land and minor irregularities or issues, that people are not being given their democracy. So I will do whatever is necessary to support you in whatever way I can to get you to achieve your aim. I know I've called you a one-issue man, and you remain that, and that is the cause of Kashmir. He does, as Councillor Farnell has mentioned, he does not let us rest on our laurels. We have to appease a lot of people, but I think the political football that's called human bashing should actually be got rid of, and we really do need to be genuine in supporting and saying the things that we say we will do. So I'm beginning to dry up now. Thank you very much for putting up with me, and I look forward to working with you all for as long as it takes. Thank you so much.